Let's show you how to use the speech bubble and text tools in Draw and Zoom. A speech bubble is useful if you want to add text that points to something on your screen. For instance, you want to point out the galaxy and name it the Milky Way. You can click on Speech Bubble on the drop-down menu. Then click and drag your speech bubble. After it's positioned, you can type in your title. When you're done, press the Escape key or click anywhere on the screen. Let's move to text. The text area is useful to create messages on your screen. For instance, you want to title this screen, The Galaxy. Click Text Area on the drop-down menu. Then click and drag your text area over the screen. One note: by default, the text you type will be entered at the upper left corner of the box, but you can click to any corner or center the box to have the text be centered or aligned at that corner. Just be aware that you might click to position the text before you type. You can adjust the font type and size using this menu. You can also manually increase or decrease the font size by holding the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac, then pressing the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the font size. Lastly, if you want to move the text area, you can click and drag near the edge of the box to position it around the capture area.